So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to register your CRA account after becoming PR or permanent resident of Canada. So first, you must ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria, which is you will have a valid SIN and have failed and assessed an income tax and benefit return for the current or previous tax year. So the step two is you should choose a registration method, which is you could also choose three options, but in this case I will show two, which is the CRA user ID and password, as well as the sign-in partner, but we have three, which is the last one is the provincial partner. So after that, you need to verify your identity. After the registration, you must use a mobile device that is working with also a camera built in to take time real photo of yourself and your government issued ID. Also, request a security code to be mailed to your registered address. Then you could access and use your CRA account by viewing and managing your personal income tax and such. And for the additional tips, for new permanent residents, filling your tax return is required because it is for your income earned since your arrival in Canada. And also applying for benefits, you can apply for certain benefits even before filling your first tax return. Also, you could keep your personal information such as your address, banking details up to date in your CRA account to ensure timely receipt of benefits and correspondence. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.